Hey, happy 13th anniversary, SUNLU. Wishing you guys all the best. Many more years of collaboration and innovation. I'm really excited to see all the incredible things that you're cooking up for us in 2026 and beyond. So once again, happy anniversary from all of us here at The Next Layer.
Happy 13th anniversary, SUNLU. Je vous fais des gros bisous.
Hi, SUNLU team. Happy 13th anniversary. And I'm hoping to see more cool filaments and who looks like this. Congratulations.
Happy 13th anniversary to SUNLU, and I made a little gift that I will show you now. Let me present you the SUNLU anniversary cake. And on that goes the SUNLU 13th anniversary cake topper, which is made out of very realistic SUNLU wood filament.
Hello SUNLU, this is Lu Jie from Luban 3D. May I wish you happy anniversary.
Happy 13th anniversary, SUNLU. Thank you for your amazing support and for making great filaments. Wishing you many more years of success. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, SUNLU.
Hi all, amazing 13 years, SUNLU. Here's to your incredible achievements. Cheers to more fantastic things ahead. Keep the good vibes going.
Joyeux anniversaire, SUNLU.
Happy 13th anniversary, SUNLU.
Just want to wish SUNLU a happy 13th birthday. I appreciate all the support throughout the last 2 years, being able to make big robots like this, making dreams come true. I appreciate you, SUNLU. I hope you have a good year and a happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, this is Main Cave, and I'd like to wish SUNLU a very happy 13th anniversary.
Happy 13th anniversary for SUNLU. I wish you all the successful future. Keep making good and amazing products, and bye.
Happy 13th anniversary, SUNLU.
Và xin gửi một lời chúc tốt đẹp nhất đến SUNLU. Chúc các bạn luôn giữ được cái chất lượng tốt và càng lúc càng có nhiều phụ kiện và những loại vật liệu tốt cho cộng đồng in 3D. Cảm ơn, hẹn gặp lại.